What is up, YouTube? ThriftSchool over here. Yeah, I still got the Christmas tree up, but something more exciting than that. Take a look at this. We got another box from bulk.com, but I didn't order anything from bulk.com. Now, I was curious, so I cut it open and took a quick peek, but I didn't go all the way through it. So we're gonna go through it right now. Say hello to Sophia. She wants to just say hi and be in the video real quick because she hasn't in a little while. Right, pup? Give the camera a kiss. She's looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh, okay, now she moves. All right, so we are going to open this up, see what bulk.com sent me, and I'm very curious here. Congratulations, Jesse. In 2018, bulk customers uploaded more than 250 bulk unboxing videos. Out of those videos, yours made the top 5 most watched list. Ooh, making me a winner of this year's bulk unboxing award. We can see your business is really scaling up and we wanted to help you get some ship done. Oh, ha ha ha, I like that. Enjoy these free reselling resources and keep up the hustle. We can't wait to watch your success in 2019. Cheers, the bulk team. This is actually kind of interesting. Now, if you guys have watched my bulk unboxing video, it's gonna be right up here somewhere. I actually didn't do very good with it. So I was very honest in the video. I'm not paid by bulk, nothing. I'm not sponsored by bulk.com, nothing like that. It's very honest. I didn't do very good on it. Well, at least I don't think I did very good on it. I haven't crunched the numbers yet, so maybe at the end of this video, we will crunch the numbers and see how much money I've actually made from all the things that came in my bulk box. But right now, we're gonna open up this bulk box, see what's in here. I guess it's like stuff to help me with shipping, so let's just see. All right, we have this pretty blue paper. Let's see what else we got in here. We have some of these things. They could go on the side. All right, we have a t-shirt in here. Hopefully it's my size. It's a little big, quite big. But it is a bulk shirt. This could be a bedtime shirt, I guess, because it's a 2XL. Do they think I'm that big on my videos? I don't know. Maybe I look that big in my videos. That's not good. Well, I am in the process of working out and losing some weight, guys. So hopefully you see a change within the next couple videos. But yeah, that's a 2XL. So this is a bedtime shirt. I am a size medium to large. Why am I getting a phone call? Okay, we are back to the box. Let's see what we got here. Oh, an Accutech scale. This is actually very nice. I believe, where'd my scale go? It was sitting in the kitchen. I think Kristen moved it into the office. Let's go take a quick look. Nope, right here. It was actually right behind me the whole time. So this is the scale that I use on a daily basis. It's the Accutech scale. It works really good for shipping off Amazon FBA shipments. And the one bulk got me is right here. Accutech shipping scale. I'm pretty sure it's the same one. So pretty sweet. Thank you guys. Let's see what else we got in here. More of it, lots of this. You don't want to cover the shirt in it. All right. What is this? Crown. All right. I have no idea. Oh, it's glass. Oh, shoot. Do not want to drop it. It is glass. This is very nice. What does this say? I'm holding it upside down, guys. All right, and backwards. Bulk. Unboxing awards. Oh, this is focusing right through it. There we go. Bulk unboxing awards presented to ThriftSchool for top 5 most watched bulk unboxing videos. Oh, that's kind of dope. That's actually really dope. And there's a little stand. Oh, that's going to my office. Oh, that's pretty sweet. I didn't even submit my video to anything. I guess they just watch the YouTube videos. I don't know. I don't know, guys. And we got something down here. Oh my gosh, a Dymo printer. No freaking way. Dymo Labo Writer. Labo. Wow, guys, I'm having issues. Label Writer 750. Oh, sweet. I've been wanting one of these for Amazon. I've just been using a regular Brother laser printer. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, this is really freaking cool. All right, let's see. Is that everything? Nope. Got one more thing. Oh, nice. This is, says bulk on it. This is just something to get like hair off of clothing that I sell online. Oh, very nice. Lint roller. And now I think that's everything. I think so. All right, guys, so that was that. That was actually pretty awesome. A Dymo printer, a cool little thing for my shelf, an award pretty much. I mean, I'm getting awards left and right. It's insane. A scale, which is awesome. You can never have enough scales. Mine I've had for a few years and it still hasn't broken on me, so cross my fingers it stays good, but now we have a backup. Always got to have backups of everything. And a shirt. It's a shame the shirt's a 2XL, but that's a bedtime shirt. I'm actually gonna throw it on because it's hot as... Why is it so hot in here? We have the house set to 62, but holy moly. 60 is fine. I was gonna do 59, but then I'm kind of crazy. So yeah, guys, that is pretty freaking sweet. Super stoked about this. Now, I do want to break down my cost and my profit and how much I sold everything for, all those fancy numbers for my last bulk pallet. But I think that's going to be in my next video because this one I think is already long enough going through everything. But still, I don't think I did that good on my pallet. Do I recommend bulk.com for anybody trying to buy little boxes or pallets or anything like that? I don't know. I really don't know because I don't think I did that great. I know a few other YouTubers have done bulk.com and everybody has kind of the same results. It's not the best, it's not horrible, it's kind of in between. It really depends. You have to do your research and you have to be there on time. They release these boxes and pallets at a certain time every day for, I don't know, every day of the week, I think. And it really depends when you get on the website and when you're buying these boxes. Now, I believe they also sell on Amazon and eBay themselves. Don't quote me on that. I don't know 100%, but I'm pretty sure they do. So maybe they cherry pick, maybe they don't. My box I bought, I probably should have done a little more research. I bought it because there were 20 something of the same video game. And that game seemed to be going for $30 to $40 on Amazon. Well, long story short, it wasn't. It was actually just sold out from Amazon, so the individual sellers were pricing it up really high. I thought I was getting a great deal on the box, so I bought it. Now, when the box got to my house, I went to go list everything on Amazon. Amazon was back in stock at $20 for this game. So it did kind of hurt, but they ended up running out of stock again. I was able to raise my prices a bit. So we will see. I'm gonna do all those numbers. You guys will see everything soon. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I can't believe I got this stuff. I am super happy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya. Here are all my goodies. I'm super, super stoked about this. Are you stoked about it, Soph? I hope so. Say bye.